Hey guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. Today's video is going to actually be a very quick one for the simple fact that the battery on this camera is at 6%. And unfortunately, I did not charge the other battery. So rookie move, but let's just go ahead and make a quick video and give you guys some updates. So first off, the battery life on the Sony a6500, not really loving it. I have 3 batteries and I seem to have to always keep them charged. With the Canon M6, I didn't really have to charge it except maybe every other week. And I make 1 to 2 videos a week, usually how I record them. So not super thrilled with the battery life. I know a bunch of people have actually spoke about that in reviews, but this is personally coming from me. Battery life on the a6500, not awesome. So speaking of the Canon M6, which I had before, as you guys probably are aware, but if you're not, you can win this camera. Simply click the link in the description right below and I'll be sending this to one of you once we hit 1,000 subscribers, which at the moment is about 30 subscribers remaining. So definitely go ahead and get in there. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to lock the submissions and anybody that's in there up to that point can have a chance to win the camera. So now I'm down to 3% battery and I'm pretty sure I've only been speaking for like 40 seconds. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up. Before I do that, I want to tell you that my Instagram, I've kind of alluded that I'm starting a new business, and that is in fact true. I'm not 100% ready to really speak about it just yet, but there's going to be a video coming next week that explains that whole thing. It's something completely different than anything I've done before, and I think it's going to be really awesome. It kind of comes in line with helping people just in a different way. And of course, for profit, it's not like fostering where we're just helping children. This actually is a business, but we'll still be helping people. So as always, appreciate you guys checking out the content. Definitely subscribe if you want to win that camera. Please like this video. Comment if you have any questions on any of my other videos, or if you just want to ask me a question, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.